Alright, this is my first attempt at growing some hydroponic vegetables. All these guys have sprouted from seeds in one of these AeroGarden things from Miracle-Gro. Had it for a while, but it's good for starting seeds. We've got a butter crunch lettuce in these and that one, and these guys are Georgia Southern collards. What I'm going to attempt to do, this butter crunch was started a week before the other couple, that's why it's so much bigger. But what I'm going to attempt to do is leave one collard, maybe two butter crunch in this unit, and then transfer the other two over here into some Kratky containers and just see if this AeroGarden thing will grow better than the Kratky containers. I'm going to use the same nutrients in both, and I've got some grow lights that I'm going to put on top of these, but they've already got pretty good roots. So far. So I'm going to transfer some of them over. And we will get an update when I see some growth. See you then. Okay guys, as promised, here's the update video on my attempt to grow some hydroponic vegetables. As you can see, we're on day 23. That first video was on day 12, so almost 12 days later. And here's what we've got. Ignore these two. I planted those about a week ago just to fill up some holes, but the other four are the original. Here's the butter crunch lettuce and the Georgia Southern collard. Coming along pretty nicely. Like I said, this is 12 days of growth between that original video. And if you remember, I took some of the lettuce and some of the collards and put them in Kratky containers just to see what kind of difference in growth I could get. And here's where it gets crazy. These are the Kratky containers. Substantially more growth over here. You know, the lettuce is just coming along really nicely. Nice green leaves. Collards have a lot more growth on them. So I'm just kind of blown away. These Kratkys are just kind of set it and forget it, so I haven't really come down here a lot to check on them. And then when I did, I was just, couldn't believe my eyes, the difference in growth between the two. I mentioned in the first video, they're all the same, use the same nutrients, just mixed in a 5-gallon bucket and poured it into the containers and dumped into the AeroGarden reservoir. So the nutrients are all the same. I don't know if it's a difference in the lights or what. They're both on 14-hour timers, the Kratky lights, and the AeroGarden's got its own 14-hour timer. So it's pretty crazy. I mean, they've got good root systems going on over here. So it's not that they're not getting the water. And this one actually has a pump into it, so they're getting a little bit more oxygen, but still, the Kratky containers are definitely taking the lead over here. Good roots going on. take this off. So nice roots over here as well. But yeah, I'm just really happy with the way these turned out, and I don't know what the difference is between the two, why these are a little bit stunted, or if these are just taken off. But I will do another video maybe in 12 days from now and see where we're at. So stay tuned for that. Because I was so happy with the Kratky containers when I came down here last night, I decided I might scale up a little bit. So this is going to be another video. Stay tuned for that, and I'll have this set up later this week. Like I said, I'm going to try and grow some more lettuce in here, get them started, and eventually transfer them over to this tub, and we will go from there. So thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, throw them down below. If you have any suggestions, I'd love to have those as well. Like I said, this thing just pretty much does its own thing, so I haven't touched it, and haven't touched the Kratky containers either. But I don't think I'm going to. They're doing pretty well on their own. So we'll come back in 12 days and see where we're at. Thanks for watching.